Hey everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix iPhone calls going to straight to voicemail. First, turn on flight mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. This helps refresh network. Then check if your phone is in silent mode. Use the slide button to turn the volume up and make sure the switch above the volume buttons isn't set to silent. Next, open the settings app. Now scroll down and tap on sound and haptics. Use the ringtone and alert slider here and drag it to the right to make the volume full. Then tap on ringtone and make sure a tone is selected. Now go back and tap on accessibility. Scroll down and tap on touch. Here, scroll down again and tap on call audio routing. Make sure automatic is selected so calls go through normally. Now tap on auto answer calls. Turn the toggle on if you want phone to answer calls automatically after a few seconds. Then go back and tap on apps. Search for the iPhone in the list and tap on it. Now tap on announce calls. Here, select always your phone announces calls every time. Then go back and tap on silence unknown callers. You can turn this on or off depending on whether you want unknown numbers to go to voicemail. Now go back again and tap on incoming calls. Here, select full screen so incoming calls shows properly and don't get missed. Finally, in settings, go to general. Then scroll down and tap on shutdown. Slide to power off, then turn your iPhone back on after a few seconds. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.